In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentation in Google Drive. We'll walk through using Google Drive to start a new presentation with Google Slides, and we'll choose a ready-made design so you can get up and running quickly. By the end, you'll have a fresh presentation saved to your Drive and ready to customize. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in before you can access your files. Once you're on the Drive home screen, you'll see your folders and recent documents. This is where everything you create will be stored automatically, so there's no need to worry about saving locations or losing your work. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This button is your starting point for creating anything in Drive. When you select it, you'll see a menu that includes options for new folders, file uploads, and Google's built-in tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. If your window is small, the menu may feel compact, but the option you need is always there. From that menu, click Google Slides. This immediately creates a new presentation file in your Drive and opens it in a new tab. You'll notice a starter slide on the canvas, and at the top, Drive will keep saving your changes automatically. That autosave is a big advantage. Whenever you pause, you can be confident your progress is already stored. At this point, you'll be asked how you want to begin, with a blank presentation or by picking from the template gallery. For this walkthrough, choose from a template. Templates give you a professional head start with coordinated layouts, color palettes, and fonts. You can browse categories to find a style that fits your purpose. Something clean for a report, bold for a pitch, or light and simple for a classroom deck. When you pick a template, you'll see an entire set of pre-designed slides tailored to that theme. Think of it as a framework you can personalize by swapping in your own text, images, and branding. Even if you're not sure yet, choosing a template can speed up your process, and you can always adjust colors or layouts later to match your needs. And that's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, click New, choose Google Slides, and select either a blank canvas or a template. Your presentation is now created and safely stored in Drive, ready for you to refine and present with confidence.